It's time to optimize your cash flow, track your outstanding invoices, and know when your clients pay. You'll no longer have to worry about where your money is or when it will arrive. Plooto gives you clear insight into your pending, completed, and new receivables all from one place. Creating and receiving payments with Plooto is simple. On the Setup Payments tab, under Receivables, you will see all outstanding invoices for clients that have been automatically imported into Plooto. Plooto will email your client with the invoice information and instructions on how to complete the payment. You can also set up pre-authorized debit agreements and reoccurring payment features to automatically withdraw funds from client bank accounts. Payments between accounts is taken care of by Plooto, and the item is reconciled back to your accounting software. So whether you're collecting a one-off payment from a new customer or debiting the bank account of a regular client, Plooto gives you a range of secure payment options you need.